All my cabbages are sold out. I need more for my customers. Hello, Paint Girl. Can you bring more cabbages from the farm to the market?
Don't worry, Farmer Ben. We will bring them right away. I have a great idea. A red tractor with a wooden trailer. Red for the tractor, brown for the trailer. Perfect! Wow! Our red tractor is ready for work!
My turn to drive. Stop! Monkey Bandit is taking the tractor!
Oh no! Where is our tractor? Look! Look!
Beep, beep, beep.
He won't get away. Magic brush, help me catch him. No more running. Yelp.
Gotcha, Monkey Bandit. Stealing is very bad.
Look at all this mess. You must say sorry to Farmer Ben.
Sorry. I am sorry.
Now let's deliver these cabbages to Farmer Ben.
Thank you, everyone. Good job, Monkey Bandit. Bye-bye.
See ya! Always help others and follow the rules. Did you enjoy our
cabbage delivery? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids. Bye-bye.